iPhone, that cost of fortune doesn't make a sense for most of the people if you can get cheaper refurbished one. But it's easier said to done to find a second-hand phone that is still in good condition. There are platforms like Amazon and Cashify that will help you with your search, but options are limited. Luckily, a new venture from ReFit Global wants to help you out with a diverse selection smartphone from brands such as Apple, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. ReFit Global is a re-commerce marketplace based in New Delhi, India. It's entering the direct-to-consumer market. The company will offer its offline B2B services, but it's also launching a new D2C platform which will have a wide variety of smartphones. It will also have TVs, laptops, and appliances. Refit is a well-established player in the e-commerce industry. Since its inception in 2019, the company's revenue has doubled, reaching 200 crores in 2022. It is projected to achieve double-digit margins in the upcoming fiscal year. To date, Refit has sold and refurbished approximately 1.5 million phones through its network of over 50,000 retailers.